Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear home cooks and food enthusiasts tuning in. The secret to soft and fluffy upma isn't complicated. It begins with the right ingredient proportions and a few simple cooking techniques. Let's explore the Upma Recipe and Serving Calculator from Youthbuddy. Upma is a traditional South Indian breakfast prepared with roasted rava, tempered spices, curry leaves, onions, and simple everyday ingredients. It's widely enjoyed because it's quick to prepare, light to eat, budget-friendly, and perfect for both breakfast and evening snacks. Instead of calculating ingredient quantities every time, this calculator automatically adjusts the complete recipe according to the number of people you are cooking for, helping you prepare well-balanced upma without the guesswork. Want to customize the flavor? Optional ingredients like ghee, cashew nuts, coriander, and lemon juice can be included to prepare the upma just the way your family enjoys it. Once everything is ready, you can copy the complete ingredient list with a single click or print the recipe, making it easy to keep beside you while cooking. Along with the calculator, the page also provides essential recipe information, including preparation time, total cooking time, difficulty level, cooking method, estimated calories, and vegetarian diet details. Below the calculator, you'll find the complete ingredient list with balanced quantities so you can prepare the recipe confidently without estimating measurements yourself. A helpful guideline is using 1 cup of rava with 2.5 cups of water for soft and well-cooked upma. The preparation steps are explained clearly, beginning with dry roasting the rava until aromatic before preparing the tempering with mustard seeds, dals, curry leaves, ginger, and onions. After bringing the water to a full boil, slowly add the roasted rava while stirring continuously, then cover and cook until the upma becomes soft and evenly cooked. Finish with fresh coriander and lemon juice, then serve it hot with coconut chutney or sambar for a complete South Indian breakfast. One helpful cooking tip is to roast the rava on a medium flame instead of a high flame. This simple step improves the aroma, prevents stickiness, and gives the upma a light, fluffy texture. The page also highlights why upma remains one of the most popular South Indian breakfast dishes. It's quick to prepare, commonly served in homes and hotels, nutritious, and suitable for people of almost every age. With around 250 to 320 calories per serving, along with a balanced amount of carbohydrates and protein, it makes a satisfying meal using simple kitchen ingredients. Whether you are cooking for yourself, your family, or unexpected guests, this calculator helps you prepare consistent, delicious upma with confidence every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.